Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Musa seek a consultation with Pangele who advised she can achieve her goal by stealing the power of her ancestor from other descendants of the ancestor for herself. Pangele wants to give the power Nomsa that Nomsa will reach her dreams, and Nomsa is confused when Pangele tell her that he will give the power. He does not know the power of her ancestor. While Mzwandile pays Nozinyo a visitor and see she is wearing Slindile earring and ask her who killed Slindile. And Nozinyo tell Mzwandile, and Mzwandile goes to Zetulele to fight with him. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.